Greetings, my friends. This is Carrie, welcoming you to my brand new video series, Decoding Intuition. In this video series, we're going to be exploring all things having to do with intuition, psychic ability, and how to access the power of your intuition to manifest positive life transformation and soulful living. In this first episode, we're going to start by getting grounded and gaining a basic idea of what intuition is and what psychic ability is. Intuition is recognized as being one of the 6 higher mental faculties. We all have will, reason, logic, memory, imagination, and intuition. Intuition is basically the language of the soul. If vibration is the language of the universe, intuition is the language that our soul uses to communicate not only with the universe, but to communicate on those subtle energy levels with anything that is living in our environment, including people, animals, plants, anything that's alive. We are always all constantly interacting and communicating with one another on those subtle energy levels, but it typically happens on deep, unconscious, and subconscious levels. So when we're learning to access and develop our intuition, we're basically just learning how to become more conscious of those unconscious processes that are always at play. So if intuition is the language of the soul, then the psychic senses are the faculties in which our intuition speaks to us. So if you look up the word intuition in a dictionary, it will simply say the ability to gain information through senses, feelings, and instincts. And this is scientifically proven that we all have the capacity to do this. Again, we are all always interacting with each other on subtle energy exchange levels. We're just not consciously aware of it. However, we can learn to become more conscious of our intuitional processes, which puts us in a very empowering state of being to harness the power of our intuition to support and manifest positive life transformation and, as I said, soulful living. How do we do that, though? We're going to take it in stages and steps throughout this video series, but for today, I'm going to give you just a little something to start with. In order to access our intuition consciously, we have to be in a calm, neutral, open, relaxed, aware state of being. We have to have our presence anchored in the now moment. So presence and being in a flow state are the keys to being able to consciously access your intuition or to bring your intuitional process to the light of conscious awareness. One way that we have to do that is through focusing on our breath, using awareness of your breathing and slowing down your breathing. Long, deep, smooth breaths in and out will enable you to achieve a relaxed state of being. It will enable you to relax the mind, the chatter of the mind. It will enable you to relax whatever turbulences are happening emotionally. And our breathing is a big tool that we have that enables our presence and awareness to drop down into our bodies. Again, the main definition of intuition is being able to gain information through senses, feelings, and instincts. And this happens on like a body awareness level. Those senses, those feelings, and instincts are happening in our body, not in our mental thinking processes. So dropping your awareness down into the body is what enables you to access those intuitional processes. I invite you to play with that this week. Simply practice accessing your intuition at will by purposely checking in with your intuition. Simply think of an issue or a goal or a dream that you have in your life that you would like clarity, insight, and guidance on. Drop in to your sensing, feeling body through the use of your breath, calming the mind, calming the emotions, and then simply ask your intuition to express whatever it wants to express around what your inquiry is in ways that you can discern as senses, feelings, and instincts. All you have to do, drop in, ask the question, and then tune in to receiving the insights that come. Now, this is only the very, very beginning of what we're going to be exploring in these series. Each video is going to be giving more tips, insights to develop your intuition, develop your psychic abilities. If you're at a point in your life where you feel that you could benefit by strengthening and developing your intuition and learning how to access your intuition at will, then I invite you to take a moment just to hit the subscribe button and the little bell so that you're sure to receive notifications as to my most recent uploads. I welcome you into the community that we've got going on here. Drop me a little note below. Let me know how your journey's going, and also feel free to ask questions so that I can address them in future videos. Okay guys, I'm gonna leave it there for today. Blessings, namaste, and I'll see you in the next video.